Okay, there was one last thing that I thought of that I probably ought to do while I'm here, and you'll see this is all about in a second, hopefully. Yes. Heard a lot about the hood latch on Stephen Avery's graph 4. Kind of wondering a little bit about the hood latch on another car having long pin cracks. 1 second. Here we go. One area. Let's see if we can get a little bit more over here. There's gotta be some DNA here. And as we'll get the hood latch on his car. Where the hell is the hood latch? Well, doesn't look like it's easily accessible from the front. We got enough, I'm sure. One last pass here. This is Ken Kratz's car. I can assure you that. Same one that we looked at earlier. So, got his DNA.